Alright guys, we are live, and yes, we have sound again. My headset came in yesterday. This is for the third day of Christmas, guys, so a couple of guys came in a little late. Just remember, guys, to watch the times and the dates. Okay guys, here we go. Here's the list. Today we had 74 members on the list. Time 9:04, guys, a.m. Eastern. There's the list. As always, Clubhouse, we go 3 times. We don't know why. Even Michael Hodges doesn't know why. Here we go. 1. Time 9:04 a.m. Eastern. 2. On 2 times. 9:04 a.m. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Andrew Gracia. Graschicha. You gotta tell me how to say your name one day when I meet you at the expo. Sorry, the card show in Toronto. 3 times. 9:05 a.m. Eastern. Again, Andrew. I will get that out to you. I have your address handy. Anyways, guys, we're done. Thanks for joining in. Already launched 12 a.m. this morning. The 4th envelope. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot, and Merry Christmas.